What is going on, everyone? So I'm back again with another Gunpla related content, and this time we'll be unboxing a very special kit that I have been looking for in quite a while now. So this kit is the ST RX93-2 High New Gundam, but I got the bootleg one. It was made by MC Model, so as you can see from the box, it's named GUNDOOM, and it really has a nice box, as even the logo of the company is embossed along with some prints of the box, like the symbols here or the note here, even the name of the Gundam, and as you can see, it's on holographic print. So this is the front of the box, or so I think it is. And let's look at the side. As you can see there, it's a copy of the front. At the back, it's a sample of the built unit or built kit. So it still has the embossed print. Same with the front. With the back, the side, it shows you that it has effect parts, the kit itself, special stand, and another shot of the kit itself. The other side, the back of the kit, the front of the kit, the back of the kit. A kit holding a beam saber, having its funnels out. Another pose and another pose. So it also shows you that this kit lights up. So it's pretty neat. So let's open her up, and I think one side is already open. It's already open. So it's pretty long for an SD box, but it's pretty thin on the thin side. So let's open her up. Okay, we have the instruction manual here. So it shows us some of the poses, and it shows us another shot of the light up gimmick. So it is showing us that you can use it with a regular new Gundam, and I think this is from the Nightingale. Maybe I'm wrong, but it shows you that you can use some of the effect parts on other kits. Pose, it actually has wings of light for some reason. Okay, so it's in funnels. There you go, it's poses, parts, instructions. There you go. And some more poses. Oh, it actually has some modified equipment. Oh, you can use it with other MC model parts. Oh wow, it's very nice. Oh wow. Yeah, I think it's compatible with other MC model units, and oh, there you go. There's a Nightingale SD. Okay. So yeah, it's compatible with other kits from MC model probably. And yeah, it's pretty nice. So let's look at the parts. Oh, there's another instruction sheet right here. I think this is for the stand. Yeah, it's for the stand. It shows you parts of the stand, how to assemble the stand, the final looks of the stand, yeah, and some poses. Okay. So we have, oh, it's on a sticky bag. We have pieces for the stand, effect parts for the funnels. You see there, it's pinkish and it has lightning style holographic print. We have the LED unit, the eyes, and some parts of the, I think this is for the weapons. It's on a separate Ziploc bag. Probably parts of the stand. Move on to the next. Try to open her up. with a Hobby knife. There you go. Sorry about that. We have duplicate parts of this, and this are for the booster, and some of the armor parts, and I think these are for the funnels. And there you go. Duplicate parts again for armor and the funnels. And then inside that bag we have the wings of light. As you can see, it's printed. It is made out of the holographic plastic. Looks pretty neat, and it's pretty transparent. Translucent. I'm sorry, translucent. Okay, move on. Okay, we have parts for the armor, big sheet of polycaps, duplicate runners for some of the armor parts, maybe some for the backpack. Another one. We have a big runner with parts of the armor. So there's the head, shield, the V-fin, and this is the front skirt, I think. So we have a lot. No, it's a back skirt. Those are the front skirts. Oh, sorry. And we have a pretty small sheet of stickers. So with this, I think you have the option to use a regular sticker for the eyes, and the one with the holes for the clear part, as it has a LED, and I think these are the eye covers you choose for the camera, and I think these are for some of the parts of the kit that were not color separated. So it's pretty small sticker sheet for an SD kit. So it's a bonus. We have effect parts for the beam sabers, and some more parts for the weapons and for the hands, and probably some of the inner frame. We have the runners for the stand. I'm not gonna open them now because I'm not planning to build it right away. Some clear rods for the stand as well, for the effects of the funnels, and some effect parts for, I think these are for the funnels as well. I may be wrong, but we'll see. Okay, so that is about it, and that's everything from the box. So I'll see you on the next review. Bye bye now.